Hi and welcome to the Student Tracker app, an app that has been designed to enhance learner performance. Today we'll be looking into our second video of how attendance works of our workshop series videos on how to operate the parents account in the Student Tracker app. You'll firstly click on your menu button and then you go and click attendance. In attendance, expect to see a list of dates listed. It will show you the date. As you can see, the percentage of when your child has attended school 100% and action. When you go into details, it will show you the subject name, the attendance type, and the status of when during that subject your child was absent or your child was present. This will help you to track on when your child is attending his or her classes full time every day at school. This is it for this video. See you on our next video on how test and assignment record works in the parent account on the Student Tracker app. Thanks for watching.